Hello students, welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IAS. It's a class for 8th standard students, CBSE, NCERT and also for Karnataka state students. In that, the chapter number 4, the chapter name is Practical Geometry. This lesson is chapter 7 for Karnataka state students. Okay, in this we are doing the constructions. In that we are solving the exercise in the 4.3, the problem number 1 and problem number 2. In this we are going to construct the quadrilaterals when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. In these constructions, there are two sides are given. Two sides given. Two sides are adjacent side. Adjacent sides means the sides which are lie side by side. And three angles. Three angles are given. With the help of this, we have to construct. Before starting that, in that 4.3, the first problem, quadrilateral MORE. We have to construct MORE. Two adjacent sides are given. MO is equals to 6 centimeter and OR is equals to 4.5 centimeter. First, before constructing, first we have to draw the rough sketch of the construction. In that, how we are going to MORE is given. First, write any quadrilateral with a measurement, because angles are angle M, angle O and angle R is there. Therefore, take the angles at the base. Therefore, write MORE. Okay, this is MORE. We are taking the angles as the base and this one is E. Okay, now this is the rough sketch of the quadrilateral, and the angle M given is 60 degree and here angle O. Look at the problem, students, that is 105 degree and angle R is also 105 degree, and here it is E is there, and measurement of two lengths MO. MO is equals to 6 centimeter and OR is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to construct the quadrilateral. Therefore, first, by observing the rough sketch, take MO as the base. Here, students, I am going to inform you that I am using the sketch pens to draw the constructions, because to get the clear picture, to understand for you, to get a clear picture for you, I am using the sketch pens while drawing the constructions, but you have to use only pencils. Okay, yes. Now first draw the base MO. MO is the base. Now first draw a line and construct cut off MO is equals to 6 centimeter with the help of a scale. Okay, like this. 6 centimeter, the measurement should be of 6 centimeter. Look at take the measurement exactly. Are all of you all observing? With the help of scale and compass, take the measurement of 6 centimeter like this, and then cut off the arcs like this on the right. Okay, students, what we got? MO. MO is equals to 6 centimeter. Mark it as MO. That is 6 centimeter. And angle M is given, that is 60 degree. We have to construct angle with the help of the protractor like this. We know that how to construct the angle coincides the center point with the point O exactly and the line should pass over the point like this. Okay, students, are you getting? Okay. Now measure from right to left. How much? 60 degree. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. Okay. Like this. We are constructed angle 60 degree. 60 degree like this. Okay. Yes. Now here angle O is given. Angle O is how much? 105 degrees centigrade. How to construct angle O? Yes, the center point should exactly coincide with the point O like this, and then count from left to right, because the line is passed like in the left. Therefore we have to, the angle is from left to right, isn't it? Therefore count the 105 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, after 90, 100, 100, and after 100 count the 5 lines like this and draw the line like this. All of you are getting? It is better, students, you have to do along with me. It is very easy to do. Here how much the angle? This is 60 degree and this is 105 degree. We got. And the measurement of adjacent side, MO is 6 centimeter and OR is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter like this. Exactly 4.5 centimeter. I'm using sketch pen. You have to use the pencil only. Okay. By pointing it on the O, cut an arc on this angle like this side. What we got? That is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is one side is given. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. And one more angle is given. That is R. Angle R is equals to 105 degree. Okay, now keep the protractor like this. The point, center point should exactly on the point R like this. Okay, all of you are observing, students. Yes, how much from left to right here? Because angle is counting from left to right. Here angle is from left to right. Therefore 105 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, join 105 degree like this. Yes. Okay, and this angle is here and this angle is here. Yes, the point of intersection of this angle and this angle, this is 105 degree. This 105 degree is extend to here. This angle M is 60 degrees extend to here. There, that is the point of intersection is mentioned as E. MORE is the required quadrilateral. I hope you understood, students. Okay, now let us move on to the exercise 4.3, the second problem.